Today we're working on this D16 Z6 engine coming out of a Honda Civic. Right now we're building up the bottom end, so I already have the main bearings installed. Now we're going to measure the gap between the bearings and the size of the main bearing journals to make sure that we have proper oil clearance when this crankshaft goes in the motor. Now these bolts have a very specific torque sequence and a torque specification that we have to follow to make sure that our clearances are correct. Because of that, we're going to start at a lower torque setting on our torque wrench and work our way up to the 47 foot-pounds that it requires. I'm going to take the bore gauge and I'm going to measure how wide this bearing clearance is compared to the crankshaft so that we know our oil clearance. Now I know all our clearances fall within spec, we can go ahead and pull off the main girdle and put the crankshaft in with some assembly lube. Now that we have the main girdle off, make sure to use plenty of assembly lube to install our crankshaft. Now we've got everything torqued to spec and the crankshaft spins nice and free. Today